Hi everyone and welcome back to Brownie's Birdhouse. In this video, I'm going to share with you a mistake that I made with our birds. Yes, a mistake. Now, if I were taking care of our birds for like 20 some odd years now, which it hasn't been that long, I would never claim to be an expert bird person. I make mistakes, I learn from them, and then I move on. But before I move on, I film it. That's why I make videos to share with others my bird experiences, good or bad, and maybe, just maybe, somebody else will learn from them too. Take a look at this. When Pearl first started laying eggs, I knew they wouldn't be fertile because Buddy and her were just not bonding. But I thought Pearl would feel more comfortable if I put her egg in a nesting box. That was a mistake. She has since laid more eggs. She won't come out of her nesting box only to eat. She won't come out of her cage, and she has become very protective and aggressive. Just look at her staring at me. But when I put my hand in there, she comes out of that box in attack mode. I even tried, when Pearl wasn't looking, of course, to take an egg out of there one at a time, but she just laid more eggs to replace the ones that I took. So, as soon as she decides to come out of her cage, I'm going to take the nesting box out, and I just hope it doesn't traumatize her or cause her to regress in her training at all. But we will see. Okay, so I did take Pearl's nesting box out, and she seems like she's doing okay so far. My daughter is bribing her with treats right now.
I fed her. That's still good. There's only like a little bit at the bottom and a little bit right there. She will not put her seed back. She will not let us have it, but she has seed in that.
That's her rice? Ew.
Yeah, we put seed in it.
It looks gross. What'd you put in it?
Her seed, but she wouldn't even go to it. She would go to just seed.
It's rice, seed, and millet. But I don't think she really needs some millet in there. Do you, Pearl?
Yeah, we're going to keep her busy for a little while, and I think I'm going to keep her cage door closed for a little while.
Finally, I can take it away.
I got
So
some
she
millet
doesn't really notice her nesting box is going right away.
Let me see your happy little face, Pearl.
Okay, I opened up her cage door, and we'll see if she reacts in any way. Let me try her with a little treat. Hey, Pearl. There you go. Good job, buddy. I think she'll be okay. She's been in her box for a couple weeks now, so I'm just trying to get her warmed up to me. Come on. Step up. Step up. Hey, Pearl. There we go. Good job. She's doing normal things like she did before. She hasn't noticed that her box is gone. She hasn't even offered to go back in her cage right now. So she's perching on my arm, eating from my hand, and things like that. So I think we dodged a bullet with that one. There you are. There. There we go. Yeah, you're just showing off. She's okay. There you have it. Don't put a nesting box in a bird cage with your female if there is no mate to help with the nesting process. If they decide to lay the egg at the bottom of their cage, just let them enjoy it for a couple hours and take it out. I want to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up and hit that Liberty Bell so you can receive more notifications from our channel and visit our Etsy shop. The Etsy shop link is in the description of this video.